Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to show you how to better protect your outboard in a saltwater environment using these 3 items. The rain just started coming down here, but regardless, Betterboat was nice enough to send me their desalt concentrate, and this is one of the best things you can use for an outboard motor in a saltwater environment. Salt water is an absolute killer to these engines, and not the reason you may think of corrosion. We have anodes to protect from there. The biggest problem is salt buildup in the block itself. This can block passageways, it can reduce water flow, and that can make your engine run very hot, overheat, and you can possibly destroy it. We ran into this issue when we had the Yamaha on the back of this boat, and I do want to prevent this with this new Suzuki 250. Now this product is eco-friendly and biodegradable, and it can be used on numerous items. It can be used on the hull of your boat, wood, aluminum, many other surfaces, vinyl, and this is a great product to use as with a foam cannon to clean your boat trailer once you bring it back from the launch, or cleaning up the hull towards the end of a season, or as I'm doing today, running it through an outboard engine. You only need 4 items to do this: a water hose, some earmuffs, your desalt, and an applicator. Applicators can be found on Amazon. You should always carry some earmuffs with you on your boat. These can be found anywhere, and you can go to betterboat.com in order to buy some desalt. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll remove this canister, we'll fill it up with boat desalt, and with this canister you can actually change the mixture. So we're going to go ahead, hook the canister up to the earmuffs, this up to a water hose, run only water through until it gets to operating temperature, and once that happens, all we do is flip it to mixture, and that's going to run desalt through the engine, clearing out all the deposits that may be in the engine's way. I wasn't able to get enough water pressure using the earmuffs as well as the applicator, so I took the applicator, I put it into a flushing port, I went ahead using the earmuffs, got the engine to operating temperature. And what I'm going to do now is turn the water hose on, start my mixture, and let it run through the engine. It's still going to clean out all the deposits through the engine block. Once again, big thanks to Betterboat for sending me this product. I'll definitely be using it on this boat quite often, and a new boat that I hope will be getting in the next few months, so y'all stay tuned for that. Anyway guys, I do hope y'all enjoy this